Okay guys, let me show you what I'm doing here in a little bit. So I figure this information can help some of you guys out there that are looking to pack it all up yourselves to be moving. What I found was extremely helpful and was rolling all my things up before I put them in the bag. I purchased these two big duffel bags. This is one. This is another. They have wheels at the bottom and they roll, right? And I roll all my clothes and stuff up, and I was able to stuff like all kind of stuff. This is just a little bit of few of the things. I have drawers full, t-shirts and things in the other room, all that stuff. Look, blankets, everything was able to fit in those two duffel bags. They were heavy, as you can see. I went over, which I knew I was anticipating that. So I had to pay a little extra at the airport, but these duffel bags definitely came in handy. So what I'm doing now, what I should have done before I left, that I didn't, and so now I'm taking the time to do now that I'm here in Tanzania, is pull everything out and organize according to what I need. Like these, it's about to be summer for Tanzania, so it's when it's winter in the East Coast, it's summer here in Tanzania, and so it's the total opposite. So these winter things that I brought with me, I will not be needing them right now, and it does get a little chilly in Arusha where I'll be staying in their winter time. So I did bring some warmer climate items, but I don't need them because the summer is about to start. So what I'm doing is I'm taking all the things that I don't necessarily need right now, the winter clothes, the blankets that I bought along with me, other things like padded sheets that I'll need when I find my location that I'm going to settle in. I'll need those things then. So I'm separating all of those, putting them in a separate area. I'm sure I won't have no problem with one of the repacks to allow me to just store my things in one of their closets or something, my winter things, until I get settled in. So that's what I plan. So as I'm moving around, I won't have to be logging all this heavy stuff with me. So that's the plan. But what I should have done was separated it all before I came, and it made my life a little easier. But nevertheless, so I separated, all my t-shirts and short sleeves. I separated all my, fancier pieces if I needed for something for a nice dinner or party or something. My jeans, my shorts. So I'm separating everything and adjusting them a little better. I do have some additional bags, and so I won't be so heavy moving around with. All of my toiletries and things went in one bag. It looks a little crazy now because I've been all through it, but I had it all stored. All my other things, my non-clothing items and things went in this one duffel bag. I brought along all my supplements, all my natural herbals and supplements. These are pretty lightweight, but I have all that sectioned off. My shoes in one area, all my undergarments are in the room. They're sectioned off in one bag. So the room looks a mess right now, but it will definitely be in order in a few minutes when I'm finished. So grab yourself some of these duffel bags with the wheels at the bottom. They really, really come in handy. And look, they have the zippers on the side. So if you don't need the whole full bag, you can zip it down to make it smaller and, easier to carry as well. I got these on my site that I order my boutique items and things from, my wholesale site, but I'm sure you could find them on Amazon or someplace like that. And of course you want to get your keys and your travel key and lock, so you can lock it up before you allow them to ship it on to the airport. That's just for extra security. So yeah, I'm actually proud of myself, family. Believe it or not, I mean, golly, I started off when I first started consolidating and getting all my things in preparation to move. I had maybe 3 or 4 times as many clothing and stuff like this. So this is like, for me, this consolidation is like, this is the least amount of clothing I've ever had in my life. But I'm proud of myself because I was really able to consolidate everything that I brought with me in three big bags. And for me, that's a big feat. Okay, I hope this is helpful to someone. Don't forget to like and to share and to follow me on patreon.com for more helpful tips. So be sure to get you some of these waterproof bags. They really come in handy. So you snap just like any other Ziploc bag, but you put your liquid things in here and it's waterproof, so it can't leak out into your other luggage. These have saved me from a lot of headache. At Marshalls or TJ Maxx or Ross or one of them stores like that in their luggage department.